Hi there, welcome back. Tonight we're going to be doing a very quick technical analysis on Naked Brands. We're seeing some interesting things for Naked Brands today. It's up by about 5%, which is good. And again, we're going to be looking at how the company has been moving over the past few weeks, over the past few months. So I think you guys may enjoy this video. Now, a lot of people are talking about Naked Brands as a potential short squeeze. And again, you can say what you want about that. If you believe it, that's fine. If you don't, that's fine as well. But I do not see Naked Brands as a short squeeze stock. I see this one as a potential fundamental play. I know that it's going to be surprising to a lot of people as the fundamentals are quite flawed at the moment, but I think the company is trying to kind of turn itself around, and whether they will do that or not at the moment is a gamble. It's definitely a gamble. So before we do enter, I want to say that I think that Naked Brands is a gamble stock anyway, probably quite towards the speculative side, but with that comes the high risk, and with that could come the high reward if things do work in our favour. So as always guys, I am not a financial advisor. Please do not listen to me for financial advice. This is just opinion, so remember that. But yes, if you may enjoy the video, do subscribe to the channel as we talk about all different stocks and cryptos all of the time. So yes, also you can join us on Twitter if you would like to do that too, and you can now join us on Patreon. If you join us on Patreon, if you drop me a comment, I will get back to you as soon as possible. It's the most likely way for me to see your comments, and if you do want to join us on Discord from Patreon, you will get a special pink name tag as well. But now we're going to jump in and look at how the stock has been moving most recently and gauge a bit of an opinion on what we have been seeing with Naked. So when we start off with today, we started off 9.30 on a price of roughly 63 cents. So from there, we actually took a very strong climb up till about 10 o'clock, which isn't too bad. And again, from there, bit of a sell-off to be expected, as you would imagine. But obviously, the majority of the day from there was quite flat, and we have seen a majority flat day since then. So well, the one thing that I can take away from this is that Naked was able to maintain this price range down here between 66 and actually even going up to 67 for the end of the day. The volume for Naked has been quite flat as well, which is pretty decent, so slow and steady volume for Naked. And again, the past 5 days we've seen this downtrend until Tuesday. Now this took us down to a floor of 61, and from there at 61 we have obviously climbed back up both on Tuesday and into today as well. So we're seeing good things for Naked. Now the past month or so, well, we have seen this big rally upwards, which took us from this price where we were at about 50 cents. It took us to highs up here of about 88, and from those 88 cent highs, we've basically been going down ever since. Now, as I mentioned, we have kind of hit a bit of a low down here at about 61, 62, and we have started to see a bit of an increase since there, which is the first increase that we have seen in a while. Now, whether this is going to turn itself around and we are going to see good things for Naked stock price, it's very early to say. I would say that at least I think if this is indicating a bit of reversal in trend, you know, it definitely is in the early stages, but who knows at the moment. But yeah, when we move over to the more technical charts, let's have a look at what we are seeing for Naked Brands in the past month or so. So again, we are seeing a volume figure for today of about 47.49 million. To get some context, yesterday's volume was 34 million, and the day before that we saw a volume of about 50 million. So you can see that the volume that we are seeing today is fairly standard. You know, it's nothing really over the top, but it is pretty okay. Now again, when we move out to the past month chart, we can see that the 50-day moving average for Naked stock is at 62 cents. We are seeing the RSI figure over the past 30 days being sat at 50, which is absolutely neutral. So being quite neutral, you know, it's not towards the overbought side, it's not even towards the oversold side, it is neutral down there. And we've seen a MACD figure down here of 0.2. So again, the MACD is still in the red ever so slightly, but it is coming green possibly, which again could indicate that trend reversal from the MACD in the past month. Now when we look a bit closer down here on the past 5 days, we are seeing that obviously for a while down there, Naked Brands was actually trading below the moving average for the stock. So the moving average currently is 66 cents. We are sat at about 67, so we're pretty on it at the moment, but not really seeing too much for it. We are seeing a RSI figure of about 60, and we are seeing a MACD actually neutral as well. And coming into today, let's see what the signals are saying. We are also seeing an RSI figure of 60 and a MACD figure down here of 0.007. So it's very far out, but that is what we are seeing today with Naked Brands. So overall, we are seeing some pretty decent action. We have actually consolidated in this range from about 66 cent upwards, which I am happy about, and then we have actually gone to close at about 67 cent. So Naked Brands from a price point is not doing too badly at all. I'm pretty happy with how the price is moving. We've looked at the fundamentals of the company before. Don't get me wrong, guys, I know some of you will want to see another fundamental look at the company. I will do that for you very soon, but this is not happening in this video. So we're going to be doing that again. Hopefully at the weekend I will do a fundamental analysis on this business. But thank you for watching through till the end. But let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching. See you soon.